repairing the damage. If there is one major takeaway from this video, it is that cheating or infidelity doesn't have anything to do with the other person. Many people who cheat love their partners and don't have any desire to hurt them. This is partly why some people go to any length to keep their infidelity from their partner. Still, it can cause a significant damage to a relationship. Cheating doesn't have to mean the end of a relationship, but moving forward takes work. If you've been cheated on, you may still be reeling from the discovery. You might want to do whatever it takes to repair the relationship, or maybe you're not interested in staying in the relationship. If you aren't sure how to handle the situation, start here. Talk to your partner about what happened. Consider involving a couples counselor or a neutral third party for the discussion. Finding out your partner's motivation might help you make your decision, but it is generally recommended to avoid the nitty-gritty details of the encounter. Ask if your partner wants to continue the relationship. Some people do cheat because they want to end the relationship. So it is important to find out how they feel. Ask yourself if you can trust your partner again. It might take time to rebuild trust, and your partner is quite aware of this fact. But if you know you can never trust them again, you probably won't be able to repair the relationship. Ask yourself if you still want the relationship. Do you really love your partner and want to work on any underlying issues? Or are you afraid of starting out with someone new? Do you think the relationship is worth fixing? Talk to a counselor. Couples counseling is highly recommended if you're going to work on a relationship after an infidelity. But individual therapy can also help you sort through your feelings and emotions about the situation. If you've cheated, it is important to consider your motivations carefully and have an honest conversation with your partner. Your partner may or may not want to repair the relationship, and you need to respect their decision even if you want to stay together. Take some time to consider the following. Do you still want the relationship? If your cheating was driven by a desire to get out of the relationship, it is best to be honest with your partner about that fact right away. Not sure about your motivation? Consider working with a therapist to gain some perspective. Can you walk through the reasons for the infidelity? Individual therapy, couples therapy, and better communication can all help improve a relationship and make future infidelity less likely. But if you cheated because your partner wasn't interested in a specific type of knacking, or because they were never home, what might happen if the same situation repeats itself again? Could you talk to them about wanting to cheat instead of actually doing it? Do you see yourself cheating again? Infidelity can cause pain, heartbreak, and emotional distress. If you think you might cheat again, don't promise to be faithful. Instead, tell your partner you don't think you can commit. Can you commit to therapy? If you've cheated on a partner, individual therapy can help you find out more reason about why it happened. Couples therapy can also help you and your partner rebuild the relationship together. Both are highly recommended after infidelity if you're bent on getting things back on track. You might have heard the phrase, once a cheater, always a cheater, to describe people who are always unfaithful. But while some people do cheat repeatedly, others don't. Working through infidelity can often strengthen a relationship, but it is essential for both you and your partner to be honest about what you can and can't commit to in your relationship and maintain open communication going forward. And that is how to fix infidelity in a relationship. And I hope this video will be helpful. Like this video if you find it helpful, or you like me as a person. Follow my page, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Bye.